Here we have a 70 plate BMW X5 M50D. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights, with the gloss black grills and also a front splitter. 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the side skirts running along the bottom. Black sapphire metallic paintwork with the colour-coded door handles. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you find the roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler sitting nice and aggressive. We have the front and rear parking sensors, 360-degree cameras. We also have over £2,000 of extras, including the technology package. We then have the dual exhaust, the M Sports exhaust. We have the rear diffuser as well. M50D badging on the tailgate. It is a split tailgate. We can open up just by pressing the button. It's power operated. Open the bottom half with this button just here. You can see we have plenty of space inside of here. Parcel shelf at the top. There's a closer look inside of the boot as well. Let's close that back up, press the button, and then it will close again just like so. Making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior, inside of the back first you find the leather seats, got the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We then have the vents just down there for the rear passengers, M Sport style seat belts. We also have the brush metal handles and electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather seats. Both front seats are being heated. They're also electrically adjustable. There's a quick look at both of them. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. Got the memory function for the driver's seat, electric mirrors and electric windows, which are for the rear. Automatic lights down here, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up for us. Now the steering wheel is also electrically adjustable with that stalk just there. Got the cruise control and speedometer on the left, along with the high beam assist on that stalk there. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, and we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Above there we have the heads-up display, if the camera can pick it up. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the sat-nav just here in the centre, plenty more features though, with all the buttons and shortcuts just down here. Go on to media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Onto the apps, you can see we have a few apps that are installed. Onto the main menu now, if we go over to car, onto the settings, then you'll find the interior lighting, plenty of different colours which you can go through on here. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there we have the climate control, the air-cooled air conditioning, heated seats either side. Inside of here we have the wireless phone charging. You also have cup holders, USB port and a 12-volt connectivity. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You'll find the adaptive, Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport drive modes. And putting the car into reverse, you find the reverse camera with the 360 view on the right. Into drive, change to the front facing camera. If you go over to the left, you then have a 3D view where you can get all the way around the vehicle, 360 degrees. And as you can see, as we make our way all the way around, all of the camera angles work just as you would expect them to. We also have a car wash view, which is a top-down view of the front end. Putting it back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button. And finally, the leather armrest here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.